Hello guys, this is Umar with you. Welcome to this new video in which I would be unboxing the Soup video game. It has 400 games in it and it is easily available on Amazon. So without wasting any time, let's begin with it. So here we have the Soup video game. It is of 650 and I have purchased it from Amazon. Let's begin with the unboxing of this game. I have unboxed the game and let me just show you all the components of this mind-blowing game. Here is the user manual, which is waste, and the next component which we are having is the cable for charging. This is the cable for charging which you would be getting in your Soup game. The third component is the auxiliary cables which help us to connect our game to our TV or monitors. It is really fun to play games on a big screen. So the people who want to play games on a big screen, Soup is perfect for them. And the last and final and the most impressive component of this game is this. Really, it's mind-blowing. Let's just quickly open this. For opening this game, we have to push this button and we can open the game. We can even set the volume according to our need from the scroll present on the side of the game. We also have an option to just connect our game with our monitor. We just have to insert this black cable over here and then we can insert these two plugs in our television. One is for audio and one is for video. Now let me just show you. It is giving me option of Chinese or English. I think the users are not able to see it because the screen is flashing a lot, but it is giving me an option of choosing Chinese or English. So I'm just quickly selecting the English mode of the game and let's just see that how does it come. Fine. It is giving me a list of games it is having. I can choose any game which I want and I can start playing with it. And I'm selecting the Super Mario one and let's just see. It is showing me the cover of Super Mario. It is giving me two options, one player game and two player game. So I'm just quickly beginning and I'm playing Super Mario on my Soup device. I can even play other games like Contra and Bike and the Star Bikers, etc., which are some popular games. And I also have Dr. Mario, Contra Fork, Snow Bros, Cage, Either Mission, Fantasy Zonic, Adventure Island, etc. And the number of games is 400. This game is really fun and anybody can purchase it. I have given the link of the game in description below. Please do check this game out and enjoy with your Soup device.